Alright guys, we're gonna try some of these Fleer retro marble boxes. Just came in this morning, and hopefully we pull some good stuff. Looks like each box has two mini boxes inside. I think you're supposed to get a sketch card per box, and I got that sealed too. A sketch card per box, a couple autographs per box, a PMG per box. So I'm waiting for this product to come out for a while. Alright, let's do it. The new 2015 Fleer Retro Marble cards. We got Black Widow, She-Hulk, got an Iron Man Superheroes, got a metal card of Falcon. That's an insert, 16 of 42. Ultron. Got a clear of Nick Fury and a sketch card behind it of Nick Fury. Clear card's pretty cool. And then a sketch card of Nick Fury. And then a Nick Fury base. It's a Nick Fury Fest. That's our sketch card. Cannot for the life of me read that artist name. Show the YouTubers here. Nick Fury sketch, and then artist name is super small. If you know that, if you know this artist, let me know. Interesting. Okay. Got a Quicksilver, a Thanos, a star-studded Red Hulk die-cut card, Jean Grey, and Loki. Cage, Storm, the Psylocke. It's a Power Blast, number 6 of 18. Captain Marvel and Black Panther. Lots of inserts in this stuff. So, as you can see on the back, it's numbered 6 of 18. Pretty cool. Enchantress, Blade. Got our first autograph of Vision, Dr. Octopus and Daredevil. Pretty cool. Vision card. Autographed by Brandon Peterson. Mystique. Oh, we got another autograph from Black Bolt. Got Vision and Red Skull. This one is Simon Bianchi. Pretty cool. Hawkeye. Got a Deadpool metal card. It's number 11 of 42. And then we've got a acetate leader, 16 of 30. Bunch of inserts. Some of these packs have a couple inserts in each pack. Got an Iron Man, Bullseye, got a Captain America medal. This Hulk's pretty cool. Captain America medal, 5 of 42. And that Hulk is, I think it's just card number 13 it looks like. Pretty good artwork. Alright, we got Nova, Thor, got a Cable, Elektra, the Punisher, Kang, got a superhero Spider-Man. Got a metal card of Storm, number 37 of 42, and Kingpin is the last card. And that's it for Mini Box 1. Let's go to Mini Box 2. King, Black Widow, we got a acetate, Kazar, and then Kingpin and Havoc. Looks like we might have a blue PMG. Got a She-Hulk. Got an Ultron. And got a Thanos blue PMG. Nick Fury and MODOK. The precious metal gems from the blue are numbered to 50. This one is numbered 26 of 50. Pretty cool. In the past, some of these PMGs have been extremely questionable on the edges, but these ones look pretty good. Pretty cool. Supposed to get a PMG per box, red, blue, green, or gold, one of ones. Alright, Emmer, Captain America. Got another autograph of Hood. And that one's autographed by Stuart Immonen. That's autograph number 3. 1 PMG, number to 50, and a sketch so far. Rocket Raccoon and Cyclops. Mr. Sinister, Star-Lord. Got a leader. It's an interesting autograph. Check out who that is. Presents. Julian Tedesco. So that's 4 autographs. I think it said you did get 2 per mini box, so 4 autographs is normal. Alright, we got the Hulk, got Nova, 28 of 42, metal, and we got an acetate of She-Hulk. I love She-Hulk. And Ant-Man and Green Goblin. Well, we got 5 packs left here. Alright, we got a Sabretooth, got the Scarlet Witch, we got a Loki metal card, number 21 of 42, Loki. Got a cool Spider-Woman card, and Iceman. Alright, we got Thor, Red Skull, got an Enchantress, number 3. How you doing?
How you doing?
Right with you in just a second.
I'll be fine. Just looking.
Deadpool and Apocalypse. Got a Doctor Strange. This one's on Heritage cardstock. Look at that. Guessing that's an insert of some sort. Pretty cool. Enchantress, Loki, and Winter Soldier. Alright, we got the Iron Fist, Spider-Woman, Metal Namor, Professor X, and last pack. The Juggernaut, Spider-Man, Colossus, Superheroes, card number 1, and a Black Widow, Acetate, and Black Bolt. And that's it. Thanks for watching, YouTube, and see ya.